Hello everyone, welcome back to Law Logical, the channel where we dissect complex legal topics and make them accessible to you. Today we have a fascinating subject on our hands: the legal framework governing electronic payments in India. We'll be delving into the acts that regulate credit and debit cards, ATMs, PhonePe, Paytm wallets, and more. Now, let's begin with the foundational acts under the banking law of India that form the backbone of our electronic payment system. Act 1, Reserve Bank of India Act, 1934. Our first act is the Reserve Bank of India Act, 1934. This act establishes the Reserve Bank of India as the central banking institution in India, and it wields significant authority over our financial system. It plays a crucial role in regulating and supervising electronic payment mechanisms, ensuring their smooth functioning. Act 2, Banking Regulation Act, 1949. Next up, we have the Banking Regulation Act, 1949. This act empowers the Reserve Bank of India to oversee and regulate all commercial banks in India. It sets out the framework for licensing, operations, and governance of banks, which directly impacts the functioning of electronic payment systems. Act 3, Payment and Settlement Systems Act, 2007. Now, let's dive into the Payment and Settlement Systems Act, 2007. This act was introduced to provide the legal basis for the regulation and supervision of payment systems in India. It covers a wide array of payment mechanisms, including credit and debit cards, electronic funds transfers, and mobile wallets like PhonePe and Paytm. Act 4, Information Technology Act, 2000. Moving on, we have the Information Technology Act, 2000. This act addresses various aspects of electronic commerce, including digital signatures, electronic records, and online transactions. It ensures the legality and enforceability of electronic payments made through various platforms. Act 5, Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881. Now, you might wonder how negotiable instruments come into play. Well, the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881, provides the legal framework for various payment instruments, including checks and promissory notes. While it predates electronic payments, it still holds relevance in certain transactions. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks. The legal landscape governing electronic payments in India is a dynamic and multifaceted one. Understanding these acts gives us insight into the robust framework that supports our modern financial ecosystem. As always, remember to consult a legal professional for specific advice related to your circumstances. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on legal matters. And, of course, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay legal.